What if I told you you can have steady, growing dividend income using someone else's money? If that interests you, you're going to want to stick around for the rest of this video. My name is Phil and this is Millennial Money Gains. I want to welcome you back to the channel, or welcome you to the channel if you are new here. If you are new here, thank you for tuning in. We post here at least 2 times per week. And on this channel, we post everything about investing. We love dividends. We love short-term trades. So if that's something that interests you, please make sure you consider hitting that subscribe button. Now, also, if you guys can, just smash that like button. It really does help out the channel, and I really do appreciate that to get this out there for more and more people. Also, if you can just share this video with a friend so you can help them out as well as helping yourself out, I really appreciate that as well. But enough talk. Let's get started. So how can we exactly use someone else's money to turn that into dividend income and growing dividend income each and every month? Well, what we are going to be talking about today is margin. So margin is something that you borrow from a brokerage. It's an investment. They base it off of how much you have in your brokerage account. So in my scenario, I have $11,000 in my dividend portfolio at the current moment. I took out margin, and they gave me about $15,000 in margin to work with. Now remember, margin is a risky thing. It's not a for sure thing. But if you do it correctly, you can create amassing wealth and dividends. Think of margin as like a loan, right? So they loan you the money. As for Robinhood's sake, they charge 2.5 interest on that margin per year, 2.5%, but their first $1,000 is free with Robinhood Gold. So it's $5 per month for Robinhood Gold. That first $1,000, they do not charge you any interest on it. Now you can hold this money for as long as you want, as long as it's not a margin call. A margin call is when the brokerage demands that money back, and then you will have to return the money. So it is a very risky thing. You will be taking out a loan, but we are going to talk about today how it can be put into a fund that grows steady dividends without that much risk. So in that fund that we are going to be talking about today, that I have spoken about on this channel, is QYLD. Now the reason I picked this fund directly is because it is not that volatile. So even during the COVID crash back in March, it only dropped a few dollars. So if you are using margin and it does drop a few dollars, you're going to have to pay that money back to the brokerage, right? Because that is their money. But if you put it into something like QYLD, where it is not a non-volatile stock, your potential for your risk for losing that much money is very slim. Now, there is always potential for that, so please, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. So please make sure you're doing your own research when doing something as risky as this. But looking at my scenario, we are going to hop in and look exactly at the numbers, how much I can make per month and per year just using margin, which is not my own money. So I get to use someone else's money to make a profit for myself. Now let's get right into it. Okay, so let's take a look at the numbers using my portfolio value and the amount of margin that they gave me. So, like I said, they gave me $15,000 in margin, and they charge 2.5% in interest. So that comes out to $375 per year, and we'll divide that by 12, and that comes out to $31.25 per month. So that's how much I will have to pay on this interest for this loan that they are giving me. Now, let's say I put it into QYLD, which is trading at around $23 at the moment. So we do that. So we do the $15,000 divided by $23 per share. We get about 652 shares. Now we multiply that by its dividend, which changes every single month. So we will go on the low end, which is about 18 cents per share. So we multiply that, and I will be receiving about $117 per month just from using this margin and collecting that dividend in QYLD. Now we multiply that $117 times 12 for the year, so that's about $1,400. And now we're going to subtract the margin, which was about $375. So I will be gaining about $1,000 per year in just straight passive income, not using my own money. So now this is incredible. This opens up a wide scenario. And remember, I will be taking these dividends and I'm going to be reinvesting them back into QYLD to earn more and more shares of QYLD. So I will be able to earn about, we're going to do the $117 per month minus $31.25 per month. So $85 in profit per month. And then we're going to divide that by $23 a share. So I will get almost 4 shares of QYLD per month without having to invest any of my own money. So that's going to create about $1 extra in income per month, almost $1 extra per month just by having this margin. And all I have to do is pay the interest on it. So I will be able to pay off this amount in, it would probably take me about 7 or 8 years or so to pay off the margin completely without using any of my own money. So this is just free money. Now remember, there is a risk to it. If the fund does fail, if it drops to $1, I will have to pay back all of that money. I will have to pay back that 15 grand to the brokerage. No matter what, I'm going to be responsible for that money. So there is a risk to this, but the risk is very slim. QYLD was created in 2013 and it has been pretty consistent since 2013, and it's really, the price hasn't dropped too much. It hasn't gone up drastically, but it also hasn't gone down drastically, and that's what we want for something to use on margin. We want really no volatility in the stock, and that way we can use that money just for straight dividend income, and we could take that dividend income, you could use it to pay your bills, you can use it to buy other stocks, you could use it to put back into QYLD, which is probably my plan, and then eventually when you do want to pay off the margin, you just pay it off and it is a done deal. It is an incredible way to make money without using any of your own money. So if you are tight on cash, like right now I am either looking to save my money, I will be either putting it into a property or I am going to be paying down my student debt. I'm still trying to decide which one I want to do, which one will help me more in the long run. If you guys have any advice on that, please let me know down in the comments below. I really do appreciate any advice. But I am trying to save my money rather than put it in the stock market. I will be saving in a high interest savings account. That way it's readily available for me to make a big purchase or to pay down big debt. So I do have about $22,000 in student loan debt right now, but we will see exactly what my plan is. I will update you guys on that, of course, but this is going to pretty much wrap up my video on margin. If you guys have any other questions, please let me know down in the comments. Also, if you guys got any information or value from this video, please hit that and smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. I'm trying to grow this channel. We are growing slowly, but I would like to get this video out to as many people as possible. If you want to send this video to a friend or a family member to help them out as well, that would really help me out as well. Also, check out any of the links in the description if you want to start investing. I have links down there for WeBull, M1 Finance, or Robinhood. I use all 3 of them and I like them for different things. So if you guys want, you guys can go check that out, get some free money out of the deal. Also, if you want to purchase any Bitcoin, I have the link down there for that too. Crypto is the future, baby. Get in on it, that's for sure. You need to get in on it with a safe brokerage that offers a way to earn interest on your crypto. But with that being said, I will be wrapping up the video here. I do appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace!